Now let's see question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Okay, so we have a trapezium here, ABCD. Now you know that trapezium is a quadrilateral in which two of its sides are parallel. Now this is a trapezium, and here this side and this side are parallel. B, C, D, and according to question, AB and DC are the parallel sides here, AB and DC, and its diagonal intersect each other at point O. Okay, so this is one of its diagonal and this is the another diagonals, and they are intersecting at this point. This is O. Now what we're going to prove is AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Okay, so here we're going to show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Now here we will need a construction. So we're going to construct through O like this a line which is parallel to AB and CD. So this we're going to call it M. Now this MO is parallel to AB, and since AB and DC are parallel, this MO is also parallel to DC. So we're going to write here construction through O MO parallel to AB and which is also parallel to DC is drawn, and this line is cutting this AD at M, cutting, or you can write intersecting AD, let's say DA at M. Now first step, let's take this triangle DAB, this triangle and this triangle DAB. Now in this triangle DAB, MO is parallel to AB, which is given by the construction. So in triangle DAB, MO is parallel to AB. This is by construction, since construction. Now since these two lines are parallel, now we can say that DM by MA is equal to DO by OB. Now this is basic proportionality theorem. So therefore DM by MA is equal to DO by OB, or you can say BO. It means the same thing, DO by BO. This is by basic proportionality theorem. Now let's call this 1. And in the next step we're going to take triangle DAC, this triangle DAC. Now upside this triangle. Now here in this triangle also, this line MO, this line MO and this line DC are parallel again, which is given in the construction. So here in triangle DAC, MO is parallel to DC. This is from the construction. Therefore again here we can say DM by MA is equal to CO by OA. Now here you should not get confused here. Basic proportionality theorem says, let's say this is ABC and let's say this is DE. Now if this line and this line are parallel, then the ratio AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Also we can say DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. In whatever manner you take here, you have to take on the other side also. If you take here AD by DB, then you have to take here AE by EC. And if you start from here, if you take here DB by AD like this, then here also you have to say here EC by AE. Now so here therefore DM by MA is equal to CO by OA. DM by MA is equal to CO by OA. This is by basic proportionality theorem. Let's call this 2. Now from this 1 and 2 here, DM by MA is equal to DO by BO, and the same DM by MA here is equal to CO by OA. This one, instead of writing OA, you can write here AO also. It means the same thing. Why I am writing AO is because up here we have written AO. Here if X is equal to A and X is equal to B, then A is equal to B. A is equal to B. So that is what we have here. Since these two are one and the same, this one and this one are also equal. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get DO by BO, DO by BO is equal to CO by AO. Supposing we have A by B is equal to Y by X. Now we want to get X by B is equal to Y by A. So what we will do is we will cross multiply here. AX is equal to BY. Now if we divide both sides by AB, let's divide both sides by AB like this, BY by AB, then what we will get now is B and B cut here, this side A and A cut here, you will get X by B is equal to Y by A. So this is X by B is equal to Y by A. So instead of going through all this, you can just simply write like this. If you have like this, then what you can do is you can write X by B is equal to Y by A. X by B is equal to Y by A. Or you can also write Y by A y by a is equal to x by b, x by b. So this is one very important thing you have to remember. Now this one we can write, AO by BO, AO by BO equal to CO by DO, CO by DO. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 10. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, now this is given here, and what we're going to show is ABCD is a trapezium. Now this is the reverse of the previous question, that is question number 9. Now here's, since we're going to prove that ABCD is a trapezium, let's draw a trapezium here. And these are the diagonals. And let's say the diagonal intersect at the point O. Here, according to question, the diagonal intersect each other at the point O. So this is the point of intersection. Now here, the question does not say that this is a trapezium, but we have to prove that, we have to show that this is a trapezium. And the given condition here is this one, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. So to show this, we need construction here. First write down to show here. To show is ABCD is a trapezium. Trapezium. We need a construction here. Okay, here to prove this, let's throw a line through O parallel to this AB. Okay, this line is drawn through O parallel to AB. Through O, MO parallel to AB is drawn. This MO is parallel to this AB, and this MO is intersecting AD at M. Intersecting AD at M. AD at M. Now first, what we're going to do is we're going to take this triangle DAB. So here we're going to take this triangle DAB. This triangle. Now in this triangle, this line and this line, they are parallel. According to construction, these two lines are parallel. So in triangle DAB, the MO is parallel to AB. This is by construction. Now since these two lines are parallel, we will say DM by MA is equal to DO by OB. Therefore DM by MA is equal to DO by OB. This is by basic proportionality theorem. Let's call this one. Now also it is given here in the question, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. which is given in the question. Now this one you can write like this: DO by BO, as I've explained earlier. DO by BO is equal to CO by AO. CO by AO. Now let's call this 2. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we get, from 1 and 2 now, DO by OB is equal to this one, DM by MA, and again the same DO by OB, OBBO is same. So this same thing is again equal to this one. That means these two are equal. This one and this one and this one are equal. So DM by MA is equal to CO by AO. What we got now is DM by MA is equal to CO by AO. This one. So thus in this triangle, since DM by MA is equal to CO by OA as given by as we got just now, these two lines will be parallel. That is given by basic converse of basic proportionality theorem. Thus in triangle, DAC, DM by MA is equal to CO by AO as shown above here. Now this implies that MO is parallel to DC. So MO is parallel to DC. Now what we have by construction is this MO and AB are parallel. What we get in the last step is again this MO and DC are parallel. So this shows that these three lines are parallel. So now we can say that AB is parallel to DC. Therefore AB is parallel to DC. Now since the two sides of the trapeziums are parallel, we can say that ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium.